In this video, I'll show you how to add a watermark to your YouTube videos. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like so others can find it. So the first thing we're going to do is to open up YouTube. Then you will click on your profile picture at the top right. Once you're here, go ahead and select YouTube Studio. Now on the left, you're going to see different options. Go ahead and select customization at the bottom. Then scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here you will see video watermark. Now here we will upload the watermark that we want to use for our videos. Remember that the recommended size, it's going to be 150 by 150. You can have it as a PNG format, so we're just going to go ahead and upload it. Select the file that you want to use, then click on open. Here we can play around with the size of our image by dragging the corners in and out. And once you have your watermark ready, go ahead and click on done. As you can see, YouTube is going to show us a small preview of how our watermark is going to look in our videos. You can also select a timing. So for example, if you only want the watermark to appear at the end of your videos, you can select the first option. If you want the watermark to last the whole video, select entire video. And if you only want to have it at the start of your video, select the second option. Once you're done, click on publish. And now your watermark is ready to go. Hope that helps.